Hare Krishna, this is Navneet and I welcome you to Vyasa Astro channel. 23rd April is Hanuman Jayanti. It is one of the great opportunities for each one of us to begin certain things in our life. See, whenever we are celebrating a festival, it is so important to understand the purpose of that festival and to also understand, the purpose of the Devata or the deity which is associated with the festival. It is Purnima and it is the Janam Devas of Hanumanji. He is Chiranjeevi. He's still there. And whenever you have Hanuman Jayanti, you have to promise couple of things, and those promises are what we are going to reveal in this particular video. You see, ladies and gentlemen, you have to first understand the purpose of Hanumanji's birth. Why did Hanumanji, you know, was omnipresent and why did he come? He come for a help of Vishnu, the Ram Rupa of Vishnu. So if his purpose of life was to help and channelize his energy, these are the two things that we must do. But on the same time, he gave a prayer to Shri Ram. Can you believe this? And if you go deep into scriptures and classics, you'll be able to understand this thing. He was always saying Ram, Ram, Ram. But when Ram was in the biggest distress of his life, when he was seeing his brother Lakshman suffer because of the Nagapasha, when he see Ma Sita suffer, and when he was not able to identify his own son's love and Kush, it was Hanumanji who settled everything for him. But when he was settling everything for him, Hanumanji suggested or just made Shri Ram remember a prayer that all the Vishnu avatars used to do. It is one prayer that can take you out from highest level of difficulties in your life. There is one prarthana which will make you forget your past. You see, we regret today because of our past. We suffer because of our past life karmas. Today, what we are is because of yesterday. And if you want a prayer that can burn your yesterday, that can, you know, transform the negative energy of yesterday to the positive energy of today, you will all have to follow this prayer. And which all the avatars, be it Krishna, be it Vara, be it Narsingha, be it Shri Ram, be it Vamadeva, any Vishnu avatara, never ever forget this prayer on daily basis. And this is what Hanumanji said, hey Shri Ram, I think you forgot this prayer and it is time. And he said, yes, I was so distressed, but thank you Hanumanji for making me realize that this is what I am missing from few days. And that prayer is known as Sri Rudram, that you will start from Hanuman Jayanti, April 23rd, 2024. Sri Rudram has two parts, Namakam and Chamakam. So early in the morning, look at the northeast direction, put your AirPods on, sit in the silence. If you can do it in the Brahma Muhurata, that is fantastic. And start listening to Namakam and Chamakam. Namakam is a prayer where we are praising Mahadev, we are praising Shiva. And Chamakam is where, like a child, we are asking Mahadev for small, small things in our life. Shuddhi chame, vriddhi chame, jyotish chame. So the word is used chame. Chame means to give me more and more and more and more. From health, from a health, not only the health, but the health like an athlete. You should not only look beautiful, but you should look beautiful, like someone who's very handsome. the Italian god. That is the kind of small, small things, from small grains to gold to jewelry to cars to, respect in the society, respect in the family. And you know what? If there is one person doing this prayer in the morning, within the entire family is protected. The entire family is protected. Even it is said that the area around 70 meters is protected from any floods, anything. I mean, no matter what is coming, you will be protected. This prayer, if done with 100% of your devotion, can give you these results. So on this Hanuman Jayanti, go to Hanumanji's temple. He loves to eat fruits. Take around 9 different types of fruits. Just go to a fruit shop, take one piece of 9 different types of fruits, and then take some sweets and go to Hanumanji's temple. In India, we have facility to offer chola to Hanumanji, where you take, jasmine oil, and you take sindoor, the red powder, and you mix it, and from his feet to his top, you keep on, painting Hanumanji with that sindoor and jasmine oil. That's known as chola chadhana. So you do this one if you can do it in India. But if you're in the foreign lands, just go to Hanumanji's temple and offer 9 different types of fruits and take a sankalpa, take a prana that we are going to do Sri Rudram. Sri Rudram has 2 parts, Namakam and Chamakam, every single day of our life from here. And give me feedback in 6 months. All your prarabdha, the problems in life, you'll get courage to, understand your situation. You'll get courage to work hard in your life. You'll get courage to accept your losses and work for your profits. See, a lot of people keep coming to me and say, Guruji, I have this loss. Will I be able to recover? I said, no. Don't think like that. Would you be able to recover? Think what you can gain further. Because many losses in our life are inevitable. You cannot recover them. But you have to live for what you see ahead. And that kind of Shakti will come from Sri Rudram. It's around 30-35 minutes of prayer. Take a sankalpa that you get up at 4:35, 6 in the morning, and you will do it. That is what I want you to do on this Hanuman Jayanti, because this was the prayer that Hanumanji said, Shri Ramji, you're forgetting something. You are doing this from various forms of your life and various avatars. And I'm here to help you, to make you remember that. Please do not miss it. And then we started doing all these things and everything was settled. The most difficult dasha of Shri Ram became the biggest achievement of his life. And that is what I want you people to do, to convert the most difficult dashas of your life into the biggest achievements. And my blessings are always with you. From April 23rd, Hanuman Jayanti, I'm going to start a new program for you all. It's a surprise. See you on April 23rd in the morning. Bahut Ashirwad. Hare Krishna.